Farming has changed forever, and these powerful machines prove it. From million-dollar harvesters to next-level crop sprayers, here are 5 of the most expensive agricultural machines working like never before. Number 1. Spider Excavator Machine. The spider excavator looks just like a spider thanks to its long, adjustable legs that allow it to move on almost any terrain. Whether it's steep mountains, rough jungle paths, or water-filled areas, this excavator moves with ease and keeps working without stopping. Its hydraulic legs are so flexible that it can balance itself on uneven ground with no problem at all. And the best part? Its 360-degree rotating cabin gives the operator full control, while its powerful arms and bucket can handle rocks, mud, and even trees where normal machines fail. Number 2. Optimus Paver Laying. The Optimus Paver laying machine has completely transformed the way paving is done. Instead of workers placing one brick at a time, this incredible machine lifts and lays an entire section of pavers in one smooth motion, perfectly straight and aligned. It not only saves countless hours of exhausting manual labor, but also delivers a level of speed and accuracy that humans simply cannot achieve. From sidewalks to plazas, from driveways to massive parking areas, the Optimus is a true game changer in modern construction. Faster, smarter, and more efficient than anything we've seen before. Number 3. Tribine T1000. In the world of farming, speed and efficiency mean everything. And standing above all others is the Tribine T1000, a harvester designed to dominate. With a grain tank bigger than anything in its class and dual-engine power driving it forward, this machine cuts through fields at unbelievable speeds. But here's the real game changer. The Tribine doesn't just harvest, it transports grain at the same time. No wasted stops, no lost time, only pure, unstoppable productivity. Inside, a futuristic cab gives farmers total control and unmatched visibility. The Tribine T1000 isn't just advanced, it's rewriting the rules of modern farming. Number 4. John Deere X9110, the king of harvesters. Every industry has its legend, and in modern farming, that legend is the John Deere X9110. With its massive dual rotor system, it devours crops at a scale no other harvester can match. It adjusts automatically to changing fields, wasting nothing and delivering unmatched efficiency. Its enormous capacity means fewer stops, more harvest, and ultimate productivity. Step inside and you'll find a cab designed like a command center, built for comfort, control, and long hours in the field. The X91100 isn't just another harvester. It's the crown jewel of agriculture, the machine farmers dream of. Number 5. Drone Swarm Crop Sprayer. The future of farming. Imagine a sky filled with drones, not for filming, not for delivery, but for farming. This is the Drone Swarm Crop Sprayer, and it's transforming agriculture forever. Instead of heavy tractors wasting fuel and chemicals, a swarm of smart drones takes off together, flying in perfect coordination. They spray crops with pinpoint accuracy, saving resources, reducing waste, and protecting the environment. In minutes, they can cover fields that once took hours, faster, cleaner, and smarter. This isn't science fiction, it's real, and it's the future of farming, arriving right above our heads. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Stay tuned for more on modern farming innovations. Thanks for watching.